Okay, so this video is about how to get softer skin, and I kind of thought of making this video because in the past I had some whatever shit where I was like, what the hell is going on? Why is my skin like weird in one spot and then fine in another spot? Or like when I was a kid, I actually like always had like super dry hands, and then like they were so dry they'd start bleeding, and that's how bad it was. And then I stopped using so much soap, and then they've been fine ever since. So I'm kind of just like, what the hell? But okay, I guess. But I guess that's one thing. If you always have dry hands, then maybe not using so much soap can help that. But yeah, there's like whatever shit that would be like, I don't know, I think it's like dead skin buildup in a certain spot. And then I was like, why is this keep coming back? Because even when I'd like scratch it off with my nail or like scrub it off with some other scrub thing or whatever, and it would like keep coming back after like however long, even though I would do it like pretty much every time I would take a shower, like it would still come back. And I was like, why does it keep coming back even though I like rubbed it off and scraped it off and stuff. So yeah, I kind of thought of making this video just to like maybe help anyone else who kind of has like this problem where like they have a rough spot on their skin or they have dry skin or whatever, anything like that. So yeah, anyways, let's go with the first one here. The first one is use moisturizer. There's so many different moisturizers out there. And I mean, some people might need to use like I don't really think I need to use too much for, like making it so my skin's not super bad or anything. Like I never really had to do too much to make sure like I don't have weird spots or anything. Like that's just me, I guess. But like for other people, they might need to do more than just almost nothing. So, moisturizing is a big thing and whatever. I think where is it? Is washing your face on here? No, I don't have washing your face on here. So, you can moisturize and whatever and wash your face and stuff and, you know, do all that to make sure you can like have a softer face and everything. And like also you could use some moisturizer. I'm sure there's like body moisturizer too, right? Like, there's the face moisturizers, and then I'm sure there's body ones too. So if you need to do that, then but I feel like we take showers anyways, so I don't know. But yeah, there's that whole thing. You can just use whatever moisturizers. I'm sure there's so many different ones that, you can find one that works for you. I don't really have any whatever to recommend because not everyone's going to have the same type of skin. So, you know, just try to find a moisturizer that works for you. And then the next one I have here is use a body scrub. These things are like um, they're not just like, oh hey, like get a scrubby that you can use in the shower like a fucking loofah or some shit. Like a body scrub is literally like this weird little, I don't know, yeah, I don't even know what to call it. It's not really like soap or anything necessarily. It's like, I don't know. It's like this whatever kind of jelly type of stuff, or at least there's some like that are kind of like a jelly consistency, and then you just like put it on like all over your body if you want to, or on a specific spot that you want to have be softer and like get rid of dead skin, because that's what these do is they get rid of dead skin. And they have like different stuff in them. Like I think it's usually like they have like sugar and like honey, and some of them have like lemon and stuff in them. And like they have different things there that will help get rid of dead skin, and then also apply like stuff to make your skin softer kind of thing. So yeah, it's kind of like a specific thing that you can buy it somewhere, or you can even just make it. Like if you have like sugar and honey and lemon and whatever other kind of stuff like that, that'll help get rid of dead skin and whatever, then you could probably just make it at home if you really want to. Just make sure it's okay for putting on your skin and like having on your skin. And then like all you have to do really is like put it on your skin and whatever, and then like jump in the shower if you really need to take a shower. Like that's what I would do is like I would just put it on like everywhere and then just like go in the shower, or like put it on whatever spot that I need to and then go in the shower. Like, it's easy to just put it on there and then like go in the shower, It's not that hard to do with that kind of thing. So, that it's a good way, easy way to do that. Just make sure you find one that because obviously with every product thing, it's like if it starts giving you like burns or whatever, starts feeling like it's burning or something, then stop using it. And obviously, like you should maybe try to find a different one or find a different way of doing it. So yeah, next one is wear sunscreen. Now you might be like, what's sunscreen gonna do to make my skin softer? Because like that's supposed to block the sun and not really whatever. But that's the entire point, is that it blocks the sun. The sun is like, usually tans you or burns you, and so it's like the sun kind of like the entire thing. I'm pretty sure when you tan is like you're like killing your skin cells faster. And so it's like, if you put on sunscreen, then you won't have to deal with the more dead skin cells kind of thing. I'm pretty sure that's kind of the whole whatever there. I, the sun also makes you get cancer faster. It can give you skin cancer if you are, you know, you're more of a chance to get skin cancer if you're out in the sun all the time. So you should wear sunscreen to protect your skin. So, that's the entire thing there, I guess. But yeah, anyways, the next one is apply body butter. There is like butter that you can put on your skin, and it's not, I guess, I don't think it's really like, necessarily just all food stuff. So you can't really necessarily like eat it. Like it's not really something you should really eat there. But yeah, it's like you can put it on and then like go to sleep or something or whatever, and just, it's kind of like a lotion almost type of thing. So it can help moisturize your skin and really like make your skin softer and all that. So, and it can keep your skin hydrated and whatever, and it just adds whatever to your skin to make it softer. So, there's that whole whatever there. It's like basically like kind of like a some type of lotion type of thing, I guess. And then also the other thing is if you eat certain foods, you can kind of get softer skin and whatever. Because like you are what you eat, right? Like you basically like you absorb what you eat. You absorb all the energy and stuff. And like, if you eat like vitamins and nutrients and food and all that, that will help you get what you need to have softer skin. Certain vitamins and certain foods and nutrients and whatever will help you get softer skin. Obviously, I feel like you should eat what you want as long as you're still like healthy about it, I guess. Like, okay, like with the food thing, obviously, like having fat on yourself isn't a bad thing unless you're like so overly fat that you can't do daily normal things like walking around and stuff. So it's like it's so stupid to me when people are like, "Oh my God, you have fat on yourself. How could you?" Like bro, you're supposed to have fat. Like, literally every animal on Earth has at least some fat. It's to protect your insides so your insides don't get fucked up if you get injured. So, like, your fat will take an impact. If you, like, fall on the floor or fall on something, the fat will hopefully take that impact, and then you won't be injured in other areas. Like, you'll have less of a chance of breaking a bone or hurting an organ or messing up your muscles and stuff. Because you mess up a muscle, that's gonna be fucked up after a while. Like if you really fuck up like a tendon or some other muscle, then it's really bad for that muscle. Breaking a bone really sucks. Um, if you damage an organ, that's also like really horrible. So it's like, you should at least have a little bit of fat on you to take impact so you don't fuck up other things that are super important. But of course, also, if you have too much fat, it can really, like, it can damage your organs too. Like, it'll crush your organs and stuff. So, you need a balance there, right? And that's like the whole thing of like I hate when people are like so fat phobic about things. It's like, bro, just stop. Anyways, this isn't really about fat phobia and stuff. This is just about how to get softer skin. But you know, I feel like anyone should be able to eat what they want as long as they aren't really hurting themselves or other people or whatever. But you should be like, we only live for so long, right? Like, just enjoy what you enjoy, okay? Like, just as long as you're not hurting anyone, then who gives a shit? So, like, even if you want softer skin or whatever, like, you should still eat stuff that you like to eat. So, that's the whole point of that part is that, like, yeah, you can eat certain things and take whatever vitamins and stuff that you want to get softer skin, but don't avoid stuff that you like just to get softer skin, because you should still enjoy life, right? You're only here for so long, so just enjoy it, okay? So yeah, anyways, that's kind of all I have for this video. I did go a little bit on a rant there after a while, but it's kind of whatever, I guess. So yeah, anyways, I guess bye then.